For this great dish, you're going to need some really good beetroot. Why not use the best British beetroot you can? Today's recipe, we're going to start with some roasted cauliflower, some spices, and we're going to serve that with a beetroot spelt. We'll start off, we've got one cauliflower, just cut down into florets. And then in here we've got a teaspoonful of garlic powder, a teaspoon of garam masala, ground coriander, turmeric, cumin, and then we've got 65ml of veg oil, which we'll just put that into the mix. Mix that through. We'll add that onto the cauliflower. Give that a good mix. Covers all those cauliflower florets. Now straight into an oven-proof dish. Which mixes out. Goes in. We'll pop that straight in the oven, 190 degrees.
Are you saying questions?
I'm not saying questions.
I just heard.
Are you going to try some of the cauliflower, Poppy?
No.
No? Why not?
Because I don't know.
You don't know? It's lovely and healthy and make you grow big and strong.
Which one has got cauliflower?
If you eat some cauliflower, you can have some of your Lego.
Okay.
Yeah? Give me 5. Good work. For the spelt, we've got 100 grams of spelt grains, 50 grams of grated raw beetroot, half an onion, which is diced, a teaspoon of cumin, 30ml of balsamic vinegar, and 350ml of vegetable stock. We'll start off by frying the onion to get the sweetness out of that onion. Well done, Evie, putting the squash back in the cupboard. As the onion's softening down nicely, go in with cumin. The raw beetroot. And the spelt grain goes in there as well. Just gives you that alternative from that risotto, using your spelt wheat grain. Covered nicely. Go in there with the balsamic vinegar. And then we'll go in with the stock. Mixing into that. And we'll just leave that to simmer. 20 minutes. We'll have a look at it after that.
No, raisins.
Raisins?
I thought you were bugs.
You thought they were bugs?
I was brave.
You were brave. Who are you today, Poppy?
Sleeping Aurora.
Aurora, Sleeping Beauty.
Yeah. Want it?
No, thank you. Eat your raisins.
I don't want this one.
What's wrong with that one?
I didn't.
Yes. Bit of balsamic vinegar. That's now really taken on all of that liquid now. The grains are cooked. Nearly done now. And that's been about 20 minutes on there. Just stirring every so often, making sure it doesn't catch. Whilst the beetroot is just finishing off, we've got a few sprigs of mint. Just chop down. And that goes straight in the beetroot. A little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. Lovely rich cauliflower. Must be nearly ready now. What I've got is a little bit of granola, some sultanas and a few little nuts in there. I'm just going to sprinkle that over the top of the cauliflower while it's finishing off for the last 5 minutes. There's the cauliflower, still needs about 5 minutes or so. Just get that granola, sprinkle that over the top of there. And just pop that back in the oven. So we've got the beetroot ready, we've got the cauliflower ready, we've got the plate ready with a little bit of beetroot ketchup on the bottom there, a little bit of this across the middle. Lovely cauliflower there. Just want that granola to sprinkle over the top.
It's all about the presentation. So.
Now a little bit of mint oil just to dress over the top.
What are you making?
You not eat that, puppy?
Huh?
Look at that. Does that look nice?
Yes.